Hello everyone, and welcome back to the final morning chart appraisal of today, Tuesday the 12th of August, with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. I'm going to look at gold, and the gold price has just begun to find a bit of support, although in the last couple of days it's just been on the drift lower, um, on the on the premise that geopolitical tensions were easing. Although I believe, this is my opinion, that the markets are now beginning to take a little bit of a more of a cautious stance on Vladimir Putin's offer of humanitarian aid, and exactly what that might entail, and the implications of that. But that's what we're seeing at the moment. Just slight gains in gold, as trading has gone on in the European early session. You would certainly say, in terms of technicals, that this chart is fairly messy. There's no real trend going on now. It's basically moving sideways. You look at all these momentum indicators, just a very, very, very slight bullish bias, but nothing too significant here. Also trading above those moving averages, you would argue that it gives it a very slight bullish bias as well. But whilst you're trading underneath this 13, 24, 45 mark, and also that reaction high at 13.2260, whilst those two levels are intact, I think it's a very choppy chart. And you would be saying that it's a very difficult one to call on a near-term basis. But if it can take out those two highs, then it could well be on the way back higher, back towards 13.45 again. But certainly this is the hourly chart over the past month or 6 weeks. It's just started to pick up once again off that 13.05 mark, which is interesting, and it could well come up for a test of that 13.2260 resistance. But yeah, even on this, you would say that on this hourly chart, there's not a great deal to be gleaned from the momentum indicators. Although again, a very slight dollar bullish bias. Sorry, a very slight bullish bias for stronger gold price. So we'll see how this one pans out. But at the moment, it's there's no real trend that we can really point to here in gold. It's fairly sideways and choppy. Okay, so I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.